Drops they softly fall on wooden roofs and windowed halls. A rhythmic hymn, no need to call. The rain whispers, whispers low in the night where dreams can grow. Gentle thunder, distant glow. Leaves are dancing wet with grace. Nature's rhythm fills the space. A calming pulse, a soft embrace. No voices, no words to find, just the rain and peace combined. A countryside of ease defined. The rain whispers, whispers low in the night where dreams can grow. Gentle thunder, distant glow. Let it fall, let it play through the night into the day.